The 511 XBT D3 flashlight is perfect for everyday use by law enforcement and security professionals and anyone else who needs to illuminate large areas or deliver an extreme amount of light on a target. This flashlight provides 2 output levels and more illumination than almost all other flashlights. The aerospace-grade aluminum body and polycarbonate lenses make the XBT D3 nearly indestructible. A regulated circuit and 3 Cree XMLB LEDs provide superior durability, output, and runtime. This flashlight is powered by 3D batteries not included and casts 1231 lumens of light on high and 100 lumens on low. Additional features include a crenellated bezel, an anti-rolling rubber ring, and a water and impact-resistant construction for all-around dependability. This flashlight is just over 12 inches in length and weighs 32 ounces. This flashlight has a 2-hour runtime on high and 72 hours on low and can cast its beam over 180 meters away. This is the 511 XBT D3 flashlight.